It's rich, creamy, with a good texture from broccoli. So don't overcook your broccoli. This is a very simple recipe. It doesn't have much prep. The list of ingredients is very short, and one of the ingredients is broccoli. Whatever you do when you're preparing broccoli, do not throw away the stalk. It is perfectly edible. Let me show you how I can do it for you. I'm separating broccoli into florets. I basically remove the outer tough skin, I think it's a skin it's called, with a sharp knife of course, and you ended up with a smooth stem, what's inside it. Then I'm chopping it into little cubes for the recipe. This is Gorgonzola cheese. It's called Gorgonzola picante, but not necessarily spicy. It's a little bit sharper than creamy variety. Let me start with olive oil in a pan, about 2 tablespoons. Onion, diced onion. I already cut it behind the camera because I really do not want to be seen when I'm cutting onion or slicing onion. It's not fun. Let's add the rice. White wine. White wine is optional. This recipe, let the wine evaporate before adding the stock. First ladle of stock. This is the time to add the broccoli stock because this will cook a little bit longer than the florets. I prefer using wooden spoon when cooking risotto so I can leave it there without burning my hand when it's time to stir it again. We can add the broccoli now. The rice is almost half cooked. It depends how you like your broccoli. I like it really still crunchy, so I add it 5 minutes before the end of the cooking. Add gorgonzola at the end of the cooking time.